Hello and welcome to my studio journal. Now back in 2022, I started to redesign my home studio, shifting from software to hardware for the first time. What began as a few videos for some curious students soon became an ongoing unfiltered record. So now we see that this whole rack area has been cleaned up, so that's much better now with just very few cables back there. One snake that connects most of the things together, and I think there's maybe 4 other cables. This is the audio stuff coming in. Now I need to attach all these audio cables together and make that run up to the SP404. And then it's getting a little bit closer as I got cords in front of the camera here and everything. But anyhow, that's kind of what the idea is there. So now we got basically everything set up for the most part. Now it's time to try this again. And we're going to open this up because now it's a matter of seeing like where this is even going to go. What's a good place for it and all of that sort of thing. So we'll try this again here. Opening this up. So here it looks like you get, well, you get your Allen wrench, as we talked about before, to put the modules in. You get a bunch of modular cables, which is kind of neat. These are the adapters for the power adapter. We have to also make sure that, like where I put this, I have to be able to actually reach the plug to it. If we pull this out, like we did last time, let's do this. This over there, and then take out this thing, put this over there. We have some stickers and just a brief manual saying how to insert the modules. And then this is the actual unit itself. So it has, actually let's get rid of, make all that noise there, put all this stuff back, just keep out the things we need, put away this, and put the box over here so we can actually take a look at this thing. So that's the actual product right there. Has 2 blank spaces in here. These are your modules. And I noticed that they replaced, like I said on the videos that I've seen, obviously these knobs were replaced and that sort of thing, because it's a different look there. But other than that, oh, that looks like it's a button. Okay, cool. Cool. So 2 buttons on that module, plus everything is here. Looks like we have, now I read that this is a mono jack, and I was looking as to whether I could use a balanced cable in there because I'm going to do a long run, but it turns out that no, you probably should use an unbalanced. USB in there as well, so that means I'm probably not going to have to hook up the MIDI. And yeah, so now it's just a matter of where would be a good place to put this and hook it up into the audio system. So that's going to be next up on the list as the entry into modular. If you'd like to follow the full journey, check out my online studio journal linked in the description. Until next time, I'm just a music teacher having fun. Catch you on the next one.